Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure you have an administrator account and a recent backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Open Task Manager, find settings, and end any hung processes to free resources. This often restores responsiveness. Once done, check Windows Update history and uninstall recent updates if settings stopped after an update, because incompatible patches can break the settings app. Make sure to restart after each change to test whether the problem is resolved before moving on. You now run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupted components. Open an elevated prompt, run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, because these rebuild critical system files. If that fails, reset the settings app in Apps and Features or re-register it using PowerShell with the correct add-apps package command. This reinstalls app packages and fixes broken manifests. If issues persist, create a fresh user account to determine whether your profile is corrupt. A working new profile points to profile level damage. You finish by performing an in-place upgrade repair using the Windows 11 ISO or running system restore to a known good point. Both preserve files while repairing system components. After repairs, inspect Event Viewer for specific error codes and the service or component causing failures, because those details guide targeted fixes. Make sure to reboot and test settings repeatedly. If things still go wrong, boot into safe mode and test settings there. If it works, a third-party service or driver is the likely culprit. Disable recent installs to isolate it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.